Good morning, everybody. It's March 11, 2021, and spring is a few days away. And today's the highest is gonna be like 60, 65, so it's gonna be a nice day to melt down all this snow. To remain with snow everywhere. They finally can walk better in the grass. The turkey is trying to find one of the roosters over there. See? What? Without too much snow, the chickens feel more confidence to walk around as princess. You know, so the ducks, turkeys don't have any problem. They like snow. I think he's awake soon. My Muscovy ducks. That's a nice they make. That's a nice they make. You see them? That's a male display. That's how they display. They move their tail. They wobble their tail a lot. I think that's a way to communicate to them. That's the noise they make.